Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, Jason over at Blue Ox has announced the Street Machine group build once again for this year. So I thought, you know what? I joined that last year and that was a pretty cool build. There's a lot of guys getting in on it. So I thought, I'll throw my hat in the ring on this one and we'll give her a try. So I'm sitting in here trying to think, you know what? What kit would be a great Street Machine build? And I'm looking and looking. And I thought, man, I could go with this or that. And I got thinking, oh, I got one. I got the perfect Street Machine build. Something that you would, when you say Street Machine, this is not what comes to mind. I don't have the box for it. It's in a box, but not the box. So I will show you the kit and you'll be like, really? Yeah. 77 Mustang 2. Now this kit is not the actual Mustang 2. This is the Mustang 2 Python. So, ooh, I know, right? So this got the cool fender flares on it. Looks like it's sitting on the ground. So that's what I'm gonna enter in. Is this? This is a rough looking kit. This looks like a we're gonna walk away for a minute type kit, or it's gonna get. I mean, it's got a lot of, this is a builder. Let's go that route. I don't think this would be like a first timers kit. So I think I'm going to try my hand at this one. I thought it'd be kind of cool. I had some other kits sitting here I was going to do. I thought, nope, I want something different because nobody's building this. I guarantee it. If they are, get with me. I'd like to see your build on that. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do for the group build. We're going to go with probably a different engine. I think it comes with a V6, but I think a nice resin engine look good down there. Some big boy V8. I think that looked pretty cool. And like I say, it does have some really cool side skirts that goes across the side of the body. And it has side pipes. I mean, she's gnarly looking. I'll show you a picture of it. I'll pull one up online here and I'll put it up somewhere up here on the screen. And just show you. And the box art on the original one, that this car is in silver, and I don't know why I love the look of it in silver. I thought about orange, like maybe like an orangish kind of color. I thought it would look cool too, kind of give it that 70s look, but it really looks cool in silver. So I have a really cool bottle of silver here. I think it's antique silver. I think I might do it in that. That look really, really cool. So other than that, maybe some resin wheels, and we'll leave it at that for the Street Machine build. I'll keep it kind of stock from that point. But yeah, it looks like it's a kit that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. Let's just go. But all in all, I think it'd be kind of a cool builder. It's been sitting here for a while. I bought this from Tony Lancer a couple years ago, and it's just been sitting there. I keep looking at it, and I thought, yeah, one day, today's that day. So yeah, that is my entry for the Street Machine group build hosted by Blue Ox, Jason's channel. So, Jason, thanks for putting the group build on, man. It's cool of you to do that. So, this is what I'm entering, and we'll hope to see it turns out okay, or something like that. So, real quick, I'll take you over to the bench, and I'll give you kind of a rundown of what's in the box. It's kind of neat. It's a 1977 kit. So, I was talking to Bill. He is one of the members from the Detroit Model Club, and we were just talking a little bit on the phone, and I said, man, what year is this kit? And he says, I got one on my shelf. So he pulled it, he says, 1977. I thought, cool, now I know the year of it. I didn't know if maybe it was a re-release from the 80s. I didn't know when it come out, but yeah, so that's what it is. So other than that, I'll get you hooked up and we'll take a look at it on the bench over here, and let's see what's in the box quick, and go from there. It's in this box here, the Essex wire box, which obviously this is in the car, but this is what we got here on the side. Okay, guys, let's take a look at it, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so let's check this bad boy out. So we got that sweet looking Mustang 2 body here. I know, everybody's favorite, right? Kind of the Pinto vibe going on here. Yeah, check out those cross braces. Talk about 1970s Ertl, or AMT. Wow, those are thick. So yeah, I mean, the body's in pretty good shape. But like I say, there's a lot of thick pieces we're going to have to sand down there. You can see how thick that is. Now I'm looking here, I thought, wow, this is kind of rough looking. I thought, oh, that's because it's broke. That's not a big deal. It's easy fix. It's not too bad. So we got the glass, so thankfully it's bagged up. It's in a little bit of a demise here. It's got some issues going on, but I think we can fix it. We'll see. So we got our interior pieces. Check out that seats. Isn't that awesome? Not much for suspension work here. Just enough to make it happen. We got our hood and rear deck lid. So deck lid's separate on this car, so you can model it open or close. So that's kind of cool. It's got a really nice detailed dash in it. That's kind of cool looking. And check out the thickness of that steering wheel. Boy, it looks like 1900s tractor or something like that. Just thick. That's what we got here. Yeah, look at these seats. Check out that seat. Wow. That's a Corinthian leather. Remember that one dude that did it? Was that Vincent somebody? I can't remember the guy's name. He played in that movie or the show Fantasy Island. You know, that was, he always did those Chrysler commercials with the LeBarons and stuff, the authentic Corinthian leather. I remember that. It's kind of funny. I think later on they was talking about that was just a Chrysler thing, if I remember right. Kind of funny. Yeah, so anyways, we got our hood scoop and the front chin spoiler here, or the front valance, so check that out. How cool is that? So the sucker sits right on the ground. So that should look pretty neat. We got headlight covers, so that's why it says silver with the black. I think that look pretty cool. Got an interior tub. Like I say, you got some massive mold pieces off there. Got a chrome tree. I kind of like the wheels on them, I'm not gonna lie. They look pretty cool. You got 2 gas caps, so talk about some serious power here, because you got a cap for each side. So yeah, kind of neat looking. We got an engine detail. I think this is a V6. I'm not 100%. It kind of looks like it. But like I say, I'm not using it anyway, so it doesn't matter. These are the side skirts, kind of our wide body kit. And then, like I say, I'm missing a pipe. Like I say, I might use the aluminum tubing for that. I think they work out great. And we got our chassis. Nothing magic there. And we got our decal sheet. Check those bad boys out. Yeah. So we got our Michigan 1976 license plate there. That's kind of cool looking. I doubt that'd even slide off there. These would be kind of cool to use. These filler pieces. So, yeah. I might try them just to see, but I'm sure they're not going to come out there. Other than that, we got, what else we got in here? We got the 2-piece tires. Oh, yeah. So this dates this kit. It's got 2-piece plastic tires. Yeah, put them together somehow or another here somewhere. There we go. They do have a nice raised white letter detail on them, that's for sure. I've never built these. Yeah, so I don't know how good they look. Like, say, you might get different wheels and tires. So these are fender flares, like your wide body kit flares. So I think this will look pretty cool in here. So that one clips in kind of right there. Something like that. So I think that looked kind of cool. Yeah, so there we have it. We got our instructions all nice and yellowed, pre-yellowed for us. So like I say, it's a 1977 kit. We got our Mustang 2 Python instruction sheet. Like I say, I have everything but the box. So pretty simple setup here. If I can get it open. There we go. Yeah, so chassis, you get your wheels, chassis, interior, and body. And then once you flip it over, a few more assembly pieces, and voila, you built yourself a car. So it looks pretty straightforward. So yeah, so that's what we're going to get going on, and we'll see how we can see what kind of damage we can do to it. Alright guys, I appreciate you following along, checking out the channel, and yeah, we'll put some videos up on this build as we go along with it and see how she turns out. So looking forward to the challenge. Kinda. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you. Thanks for watching.